the farther you move away from the ancestors, the harder it is to get undiluted facts about our identity.
Yes.
These people that were interviewed in West Indies, for instance, there are people many generations farther from us.
Yes.
And the story they tell you, the narrative is the narrative as it existed at that time, without being colored by anything else that we have now. We are the elders now, are we not?
Yes.
Fine. How old really are we? Calculated backwards, we are looking at people 1940s, 1950s. What do we know? So, but those other people had gone deeper in time.